This is our cool LED light here, which is super awesome. This is the barn door we're going to put on here. It comes with 8 of these, and one of them screws into the other one. So this one will screw into this one, so that we can have a gap in our barn door. So you're going to basically have one on either side. So we're going to put these in first. Okay, so we got these on here, and then we'll put the other screws in.
Here's the barn doors.
Shouldn't matter too much.
And so I did this one wrong, so that's a good example. So it's cool to mess up because then you realize.
Did you do it wrong?
I got it backwards.
Did you put the wrong screw in there?
Exactly.
That doesn't screw. Okay.
Because one of them's the Allen wrench top, and the other one's
Right.
the screw top.
So I got it backwards, so now I got to figure out.
Yeah, let's make sure we got all of them correctly.
So what you're saying is that one screw screws into the other one, but you got to make sure you put the right ones in.
Exactly.
That's correct. So this has a regular spiral
that's
screw.
correct.
This one has an Allen wrench, and that's the one you want on top.
So yeah, then obviously the way you really clamp this down at the end is with the Allen wrench. So I see the simplicity. It'd be nice if they were different colors or something. But we can email Draycast and say like, why don't you make it a little easier to
That's a good idea.
Yeah, if I had a Sharpie and it was my personal kit, I would mark these with the top ones with the Sharpie or the bottom ones with the Sharpie.
Right. Just a little
Cool. And then that's
tighten there, and then your barn doors are installed. Look at that.
And then that's that. See it a little easier.
Yeah. Back here.
All right. Pretty straightforward. You got that axis, this axis, and
It's a lot higher.
And then down here, actually, we have
there you go.
your intensity knob.
And then we got power
And
and,
then-
power feed and everything, right?
Yeah, and then this is the Kelvin here, which is gonna tell you like how warm or cool your light is gonna be.
Is that for a battery pack, Jason? In case.
But yeah, that is for the
We don't-
battery actually.
All right, cool.
Yeah,
Sweet.
and then you'll get a feedback on here, which we'll show later once it's plugged in. It tells you how high the intensity is.
LED.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Cool. Thanks, y'all.
Thank you.